Hello everyone, let's do some drawing. Get your pen and colors ready. Draw number 13 and the middle of number 3. Have an oval shape and have another oval shape at the bottom of it. Then draw a parallel line to number 1 and connect it with little curves. Then also draw some little leaves on the side. You know what we're gonna make? A bamboo tree. Then also we're gonna make a lovely panda. So draw 2 semicircles on top of the number 3 and also one at the bottom of the tree as well. Then draw 2 circles in the top part of the number 3 and have a little eyes onto it and detail its pupils and draw a little nose and a little snout. You know how you color a panda, just black and white. Color the ears black and also the eyes as well. You know you will get a panda eye if you use your phone too much. Then also color your hands and the legs as well. Then also the little bunny tail. Then also color your bamboo in a light shade of green and the leaves in a lighter version of the green as well. Then you're done. You have a lovely panda which is hungry that's gonna feed the bamboo. Draw an oval shape and 2 little egg shape on top of that and have curves at the bottom and have a stapler pen and one more and have it connected to a shape and draw the cloudy pen on top of it and do the little naughty tail. Then after that do some curve in the egg shape and also in the big oval shape as well. Then draw the stylish eyes and little nostril and a little line in the bottom of the stapler pen and draw the pointed triangle making the stripes. It's a lovely zebra. Draw number 9 and one line parallel to that and extend it and make big stapler pen and a little one in the middle. Then connect the shape. Then have a little soulful eye and a little curve in the top part of number 9 and make the nostril and have a little triangle on the side and make the 2 drumsticks on top of it and make the dorsal plates in a stapler pen manner at the next side. You know it's a lovely giraffe. Make polka dots and color it. Draw capital letter A with the middle line halfway through it and draw capital letter I and a capital T at the bottom and connect the shape and draw little triangles at the bottom and draw little curves at the sides of the capital letter I. Then after that draw some big eyes and a little pupil in the middle. Then have a little eyebrows on top of it and make a belly button. It's Patrick. Color him. Draw a little circle and a large semicircle by the right side of it and make 2 stapler pins at the bottom and connect the shape and draw a pointed triangle at the right side and have capital letter W in the dome. Then extend lines from the pointy edges and draw the soulful eyes and a little smile. It's a lovely tortoise. Color it. Draw capital letter M and extend from the middle point a large number 6. Then also a little curve on the other side and one more little curve at the bottom and one more at the bottom of the number 6 and close the shape and have little lines at the curve making the lovely toes and do the naughty tail and soulful eye and a little nose and fur on top of the triangle. Color a lovely squirrel. Draw an open curvy rectangle and 2 curves at the bottom of it and 2 rounded triangles on top and 2 little lines at the bottom in a curvy manner and draw that soulful eye and a little nose and a cute little smile. Then add the whiskers and 2 stapler pins against each other in the middle and draw a naughty tail and a little heart in behind and draw a little polka dots making it black. Draw a big small letter M and extend curvy lines at the sides and a little bent line from the bottom. Then have capital letter C one on the side, one in the middle and make that little naughty fluffy tail and make that soulful eye and a little smile. Then also color the inner part of the small letter M with pink and do the blushes. It's a little bunny. Draw a big number 3 and a smaller number 3 in the top part of it and close the shape and have a soulful eye and a little smile and draw inverted capital letter C and number 6 in the middle and draw a big curve and a small curve at the bottom and have another curve at the top of it and do a little lines for the toes and draw a naughty tail and color a monkey. Thank you everyone for watching this video.